first evening in the stand in Western Kentucky. Bow hunting tonight. It's the last day of bow season before Kentucky's early muzzleloader season. Already had a button buck come in and some turkeys work the edge of this field we're hunting. On some hardwoods, there's a draw coming up to us and a field behind us, and the temperature is dropping. It's about 45 degrees, I'd say, right now. Weather's clearing up, and we got a couple of trail cam pictures yesterday of some decent bucks in the area, so we'll see what happens tonight. Should be a good one. Man, you gotta be kidding me. I thought that deer was 40 yards. I put my 40-yard pin right on him, right over his back. It's gotta be only 35. I shot right over him. It's kind of a management deer there. He's got like a big frame on him, but no points. Maybe a 4-point. I've been happy to take that deer in Kentucky. Man. I don't think we've seen that deer. I don't think he's one of the ones from the trail cam. But it's what happens sometimes. I'm shaking, man. I haven't shaken in a long time on a deer. It's still early. Go out there and see my fire knot glowing though. Man, we got some time. Now I know how far it is. We just had some does come in. Got downwind of us. They got a little spooky. They took off. They're out of here. But we're seeing deer. That's our third, fourth, and fifth deer we've seen tonight. Rich, I don't think we're done. This spot's getting hot. We're watching this hay field. Nothing's even hit the field yet. Rich, right there. There's a giant in the field. Get on him. Get on him. believe this. There's 2 bucks on the far side of that field. I grunted, got his attention. Snort wheezed at him and he came charging it at us. And he got too close. I couldn't shoot him there. As you can see, there's all kinds of leaves. That last grunt, he knew something was up. I should have just let him do his thing, but I thought maybe he needed one more sound to bring him across that fence. That's a good deer. His tines go up at the top and almost touch. He's 25 yards right there, but I did not have a shot. What a buck. Boy, the boys in camp are going to be jealous. We had a night tonight.